Ẹ káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. So lórí ẹ́písòdù eléyìí n ta fẹ́ ṣàlàyé fún wa òun ni first thing first, the most important thing. Training yìí is not about Python programming language in general. This training is about artificial intelligence engineering. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká ṣe mistake wípé training yìí tí research scholars team tí wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀ is about artificial intelligence engineering. Training yìí kò ń ṣe nípa Python programming language. Ìdí tá a fi yà kan Python programming language ni pé ó jẹ́ programming language kan tí a ń lò ní artificial intelligence engineering. So basically Python jẹ́ programming language tó jẹ́ pé ó fẹ̀, ó easy láti lò, ó tóbi, ó ní modules, ó ní libraries. So kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ la fẹ́ fẹsẹ̀ tọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan, gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́. Èyí tí ó dì pẹ̀lú artificial intelligence engineering la máa mú. Ó ní framework Python tó ń lò láti fi develop website, Django and all of that. Ó lè tán fi ń ṣe gbogbo and all of that. But èyí táwa fẹ́ lò báyìí is that part of Python programming language that deals with artificial intelligence engineering system. So now I will now break down the roadmap tí a máa lò láti cover artificial intelligence engineering. So tẹ̀lé wa ká lọ, ẹ má bá wa ká lọ. Ẹ má bínú pé à ń gbà yín lásìkò, ẹ má dẹ̀ bínú pé à ń gbà yín ní àkókò.